Hello and good day. My name is Brent Barnett with Vancouver Yachts Sales by United City Yachts, Canada's premier yacht sales network. Today I'm going to introduce you to a 2005 Commodore 3550 Regal. Great vessel. Yes, it's a 2005, but man, it's in good shape. As you can see from the interior here in the salon area. The engines themselves, they have under 300 hours on them. So the vessel shows extremely well. So in here we have very nice couch system. It also has a hide-a-bed in there. Oh, and this video is being done in 360. So what that'll allow you to do is allow you to scroll around the vessel with your finger or your mouse. So you don't have to continue to look at me and have a look around. So the table actually folds inward like so. Also comes out, and there is a hide-a-bed that's in there as well. We got a refrigeration system here. We've got a 2-burner cooktop right here, electric. Microwave, of course, sink. Lots of great storage areas. In the back here in the aft, we've got a, again, really nice seating area here. Also converts to a bed. So they are quite nice. You know, I'm 5'10" and I fit back here as well, which is a little unusual for afts that are a lot smaller than this. So it's very comfortable. And we'll take you up to the V berth here. Again, the V berth, very nice. Again, well kept, very bright, very spacious. Nice closet space. And then in the head, full stand-up shower in there as well. And let's take you up top. So up top here, great seating area again up here. At the helm we have every instrument you would need. Ray Marine is the brand that we've gone with here. Back here in the cockpit area, so lots of room back here, and more seating if you're bringing a few more people out for the day, like so. Got another fridge right there, so it's a secondary fridge. Again, lots of great compartment area. Swim platform out back. Again, large swim platform. Nice tender. It's got a 4-stroke 9.8 engine. It's a striker, the tender itself. And then up top there, we got a nice walk-through. Get you to the suntan bed. So if you'd really like a clean, well-kept vessel, this is the one for you. Please get in contact with me for a viewing showing. My direct line is 236-688-6828. You can reach me by email as well at brent@vancouveryachtsales.com, or visit our website at www.vancouveryachtsales.com. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I'd love to show this great vessel to you. Thank you. Oh, I'll have much more pictures and details and 360 pictures as well on the listing itself. Thank you.